Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Bitcoin once again, and please join me into the Discord. And this will be an amazing experience for you if you guys just come join the Discord with for me right there. So here we are, and today is a very nice looking day. And you have the left shoulder, the head, and you're printing in a nice right shoulder, a very clear one. And you've already broken out of a downtrend here. The double top pattern was invalidated by Bitcoin as well. So all in all, things are clicking with one another, and what's clicking is that you're turning bullish once again. This is bullish signs for me, guys. That's actually quite bullish right now. So I'm gonna bring one EMA, the 10 EMA. So what you're doing right now is you're going impulsively to the upside. You went up, you're coming down, finding support at the 10 EMA, potentially just to continue all the way to the upside. So today I do expect Bitcoin to continue its rise potentially to the $45,000 and cross this resistance it has had, and then continue to the upside. So $53,000 could be on the cards, guys, because of that inverse head and shoulders. I'm going to show you the neckline right now. So here we are. We're going to take as much touches as possible. Like, that's the neckline that you have. You haven't broke the neckline just yet. Be aware, be cautious, because this is still a resistance nonetheless. You haven't crossed it. So you take the top to the bottom right there, and wherever you're breaking out of here, this is what's, oh, it's looking to take you to $57,000. Amazing. And that's believable. Now let's try to match this one with Elliott wave theory, because I do remember that previously I talked about the Elliott wave theory, and the third wave being the largest one. So I'm going to show you this one. So you have like the first wave, the second wave retracement. The third is the largest one, and it seems like, yes, that's taking you to the third wave. That makes sense to me, because when you start to move impulsively, you start to move impulsively, and then you have the third maybe potentially come take you back down there. uh, Sorry, the fourth one coming to the neckline, maybe potentially to the 45,000, and then the fifth taking you back to the all-time highs. There's one more thing I actually noticed later after the video. The Elliott wave theory actually worked with this downtrend, guys, and all you're doing is an AB. I'm gonna show you what happened. So here we are. This was your first wave, second wave. This was potentially your third wave, the biggest one, the fourth wave, and then you had the fifth wave, right? So after the fifth wave, what comes up? The ABC correction. This was your A, the B, the C is the biggest one. So ABC correction. That's the downtrend Elliott wave theory. What about the uptrend? This is your first, your second, the biggest one is the third, the fourth, and potentially the fifth. So things are coming up together, and we're starting to flip bullish just a little bit. But I'm just going to tell you that you're still at the neckline. You haven't broke out the neckline just yet. And that's I think that's all. That's all that you need to know in this one video. I'm personally looking. Oh, there's one more thing just before I close this one, and that's gonna be a bullish cross. We're about to get a bullish cross on the daily once again, and that's where you're gonna see the 55 and the 10 trying to cross, and the 20 trying to cross one another. Ah, wow. See you later, guys. It's time to actually become bullish, because the charts is allowing you to become bullish. And let's see if that's not a fake out, but it doesn't seem like a fake out to me anymore. Last time we didn't go all the way down to the technical target of 40,400. That's just one conclusion, and that is the buyers are winning, the bulls are winning. They're not interested to push the price to the downside as well, and we might start seeing the crypto flashing green once again. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.